Frame hold is useful for where you suddenly want to freeze the video on a still image at a particular point. I've covered time remapping elsewhere, so you could slow down, but if you just want a kind of still image suddenly for a certain period of time, then you can use frame hold. And I'm going to show you in the description you'll find, or in the wiki page you'll find the link to the more fulsome description. This is variations you can do, but the simple and easy use of frame hold here. So maybe we've got this clip here, and I actually want it to freeze at this point here. So I put the cursor over there like that. Go up here to clip, video options, add frame hold. What you'll notice now in the timeline is that the clip plays back like this, and then suddenly stops for the rest of that. If I made a mistake, obviously I can Control Z and choose a different frame. A variation on this is maybe if you want to take a particular image, maybe drop it back in as a frame hold, or export an individual frame. Say I like the particular framing of this, then in either monitor, so you'll notice this is the icon here, export frame and export frame here. So let's do it in this one while we're here. Now I've got choices here as to the file format. PNG is easily available for web and publicity purposes, but there are other ones for doing individual grading or test shots. And you've also got the option here to import it back into the project. Say for instance you wanted to use this almost as a kind of graphic element, then it will be there in your project bin for you to use. You can name it something meaningful, you can change the path by using the browse button, but for the purposes of this exercise I'm just going to click OK, and then you'll see this has now come into the project as just a still image, and because it's still image I've got the possibility of extending or shortening that to the actual duration that I want. Okay, so that's how you do frame hold.